This DeWALT planer is durable and easy to use, but then you decide. This short video highlights the functions. If you enjoy this video, please click on like, or better yet, click on our logo to subscribe to our channel. If you buy a planer, make sure you get one of these. Enjoy the video. Replacement blades on this planer cost around $100, plus they take time to change. You can save time and money if you have one of these. It'll detect even the smallest amounts of metal. This one does vibration or sound.